In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a report in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Origin Financial allows you to share certain financial reports and forecast information with your partner through account access. If you want to share your forecast, the easiest way is to invite your partner to your Origin account. To do this, go to your account settings and look for the partner or shared access option. From there, send an invitation to your partner using their email address. Once they accept the invitation, they will be able to access the same forecast information connected to your account. This includes shared financial views such as projected net worth, cash flow forecasts, financial goals, and other planning tools available inside the forecast section. Any updates made to the forecast will also appear across both accounts automatically, making it easier to manage financial planning together. Sharing access through the partner feature is useful for couples or households who want to collaborate on budgeting, long-term goals, retirement planning, or tracking overall financial progress inside Origin Financial. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.